Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to come on here real quick and show you guys an easy way to track your expenses if that's what you're trying to do. I know we're not always carrying around like a notebook and a pen and stuff. So, but we always do have our phones, right? So, I found this app. I actually found it when I first started cash budgeting. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the App Store or whatever. If you have an Android, I'm not sure what it's called, like a Google Store. I don't know. I'm an iPhone user, but anyway, so you're gonna look up expenses. Okay, like it's literally called expenses. Okay, and then you're gonna go to the one that looks like this, and it should be free. When I got it, it was free, so hopefully it's still free. So you're gonna download it, and then you're gonna open it. So as you can see, there's just like a number pad there. And then at the bottom, right under that, I have different categories. So I have like gift card, debit, Apple, wants, date night, cakey, all of that. So if you swipe those categories, you can actually create create your own. You can create more. So for example, you would click on all categories and that plus sign at the top, you're going to click that and then type in a name. So maybe I want this to be like Target. And then you can choose icons. So as you can see, it's like a very basic but very functional app. So that's why I actually like to use it. So I'll just click this icon, whatever. And then you can also change the color, but there's only a handful. But yeah, so you can color code, right? So I'll just add Target. Then I'm gonna go back. And so say I went to Target and I spent like $80 or $80.47. So I'm gonna type that in first. Put the amount in first, so $80.47. You're gonna click the category that you want the expense to be under. So I'm gonna click on Target and then it's going to pop up at the bottom and it's going to show um, Target and how much I spent. So I'm going to make another fake purchase and I'll do like $8.50 at Dunkin'. So it's going to show you like for the whole week. Also tracks for the whole month and then the whole year, depending on how long you use this. But at the top right corner, you can see that little pie chart icon. If you click that, it'll pull up a chart for you. So you don't have to do this like on your own, right? And it's just showing me how much I spent during the week. So I went to Target and I spent $80, and I went to Dunkin' and I spent $8. So, and it shows you the pie chart. You can go to the day view, and then which is basically the same because that's all I put in. But if I go to my year, it actually shows because I think I used this in the beginning of the year, but I kind of stopped using it. But these are just expenses that I used and it tracked it for the whole year and creates a cute little pie chart for me because I am a visual person. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys because I feel like it might be helpful if you need something quick to just like write in your expenses because I know we always have our phone. But yeah, that's all. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.